Hey guys, I have with me here the HUAWEI Matebook D14, and I've had it with me for a couple of days now, and this video will be my first impressions and a little quick unboxing of this little baby that we have over here. So let's start things off with the unboxing. What we get is a pretty straightforward but gigantic box. As you can see, it can barely fit my huge table as it is. Pardon all of the clutter, but inside the box we have just two simple things, which is the laptop itself, which is well padded with this foam, and the charger, which supports 65 watts charging. It also uses a USB Type-C port, which makes it really easy to charge. So now that's out of the way, let's talk about the HUAWEI Matebook D14 and see what are some of my initial thoughts about this laptop. First thing I have to note is the design. It's a very sleek, simple, minimalistic design. There's not much bells and whistles to it. It's pretty straightforward. And if you're the type who likes something like that, then definitely you would love this. It's actually something that's easy to personalize or customize. You can add stickers on this bad boy, and it's very nice on the eyes because it is just a simple looking laptop. To be honest, like I said, it's just very simple and straightforward, but for a lot of people, including myself, I like something that's this simple, that's this clean looking with its mystic silver colorway. And the other thing I love about this laptop is how compact and small looking it is for a 14-inch laptop. It's very portable, lightweight, and extremely thin. It's not too bulky like other laptops that I've had before. And I love that, again, it is pretty light. It just weighs under 1.39 kilograms, and the thickness is up to 15.9 millimeters. And personally, one of the features I love about this laptop is its 180-degree hinge. I mean, you can lay this bad boy flat like so. And sa totoo lang, sobrang impressed ako with this. Although hindi ko siya ma-imagine kung saan gagamitin ang feature na ganon. But I just love that the hinge is that durable and is that flexible to begin with. Another thing I love about this laptop is it has all of the ports that you could possibly need. It has a full function USB Type-C port, which doubles as the charging port of this laptop as well. You have the USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, a USB 2.0 port, an HDMI port, and a 3.55mm auxiliary port or a headphone jack for those who still use a pair of wired earphones. Now, let's move on from what we see on the outside, the look and the portability of the laptop, and let's dive deeper into what this bad boy really contains. And let's start off with the display. I personally love the vibrant colors that this laptop gives us. Yes, there are some times that it does look a bit too vibrant for my liking, but one thing that I also love about it is how bright it can get. And this is something that I think is really great no matter what task you are doing. Whether you are watching a movie, or you are working on Canva or a Word document, or even for a presentation, then this laptop's display, I think, is really, really great. I also love the fact that you make full use of the 14-inch display of this laptop. I mean, having a workspace this big is very beneficial. And again, one thing that I also discovered with this laptop is you can open multiple windows, multiple apps at the same time. So kung medyo nandadaya ka sa work mode mo and gusto mo mag-relax and nag-work ka at the same time, then that's something you can do with Netflix on one side of the screen and a Word document or your Excel sheets on another side of the screen. Again, it's pretty big of a space that you can utilize and have multiple apps working at the same time. One of the things I also love about this laptop is its battery life and charging capabilities. This laptop can actually last with me more than a day with work and a couple of watching videos from time to time. So I actually maximize this and it still lasts me throughout the entire day. The charging process is also pretty quick it doesn't take that much time to juice up this bad boy because of its 65 watts of charging. One of the things that Huawei really zeroes in for with this laptop is that it is a perfect tool for those students. But again, this is, a laptop that can work for anyone, whether you're working already or estudyante ka. But I do see the benefit of having such a laptop as a student. Feeling ko kung estudyante ako, this would be a laptop that I would actually consider or would actually want to get, because again, there is that number one, lightweightness to it. It's easy to bring around with you, and it has a pretty good amount of screen or display that I can actually have multiple things running at the same time. Kung student ako up until now, I would love to have a laptop like this, but how much is it? The Huawei Matebook D14 2023 is priced at 44,999 pesos. Honestly, I think this is a pretty good deal, all things considered, with this laptop in terms of everything that you get, including the battery life, the display, and the aesthetics of this laptop. Given as well that it's very lightweight and portable, this I think is a great option, especially for those students, those who are working, students specifically, as you go back to school. That's pretty much it for me in this particular video. Once again, my name is Avram. Continue to follow us here at UnboxPH. Leave us a comment down below what you think about the Huawei Matebook D14 2023. We'd love to know your thoughts. As always, God bless, guys. Stay safe and